Hey, today we are in Golf MK7 on the MQB platform, and I'm going to show you how to enable the interior light fade in and fade out effect. Right now, when you turn off your lights, everything goes just dark immediately, and when I turn it on, it just pops right back. So with OBD11 already connected to the car, we are going to select module 09, which is Central Electrics. Let's go to the security access and enter the code 31347, which enables adaptation changes. Okay, it was accepted. And right now we are going to adaptation, and we are looking for a channel called interior lighting. Let's use the search function interior lighting, and over here we are looking for CLEM 58 Einschalten mit Rampe. It's not active, and we are going to change it to active. Press and hold over here to store new value. Coding accepted, and right now we should have this function enabled. So when I turn off the lights, we can see that it slowly fades away, and when I turn it on back, we have this night fade in effect. Okay, check the description below this video for details, and give me thumbs up if you like this simple tutorial about this nice pleasant adaptation in your Golf MK7. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.